What's up, Guide and Bolt fans? This is Nick, and today I got a real quick video for you. As you can see, we're looking at my garage door here. So it opened up fine, but then when I went to close it, it was getting down to almost close. It was basically 3/4 of the way, and then it wouldn't close completely. And it took me a second to figure this out because everything looked like it was in order until I started to until I basically looked at the hinges a little bit closer. You can see this one right here looks like the back part of the hinge just kind of snapped off. So every once in a while, depending on how it was coming down, this wheel would pinch and the door wouldn't be able to close all the way. So ran to the hardware store, picked myself up another hinge here that we're going to go ahead and throw on. Now really this is only going to be looks like four screws basically that we're going to be taking out of here. I threw, it was a number 11 socket that we're going to use to take that out, and then I just have my drill. My one concern initially was this one, you can see, looks a little bit wider than the hinge that's currently on there, but then as I was looking a little bit closer, you can see down here, this one's about the same size. So it looks like they've already actually replaced a hinge on this door potentially, because this one's about the same size here. Now really the only trick that you need to, probably not the only trick, but one of the tricks, or one of the things you need to pay attention to, is the hinge placement. So this would be hinge number 1, this would be hinge number 2, that would be hinge number 3, and up at the top there would be hinge number 4. So you can see here, this actually says right there which hinge it goes on. So this is the number 3 placement. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take out those 4 bolts there. We should be able to reuse this roller here, put that right back in place, and hopefully we'll have a functional garage door again. I'm going to attempt to use the same wheel. The wheel looks like it's in fine condition, so we're going to go ahead and swap this out, and we'll see if that takes care of business. All right, we are back in action. Just took a couple of minutes to swap that out, and you can see here there's the broken hinge. It's quite a bit skinnier, but the other one fits on there perfect. This the bracing here that holds it is wide enough, and I just ended up using the exact same screw holes that were there before. So went up and down smoothly. This was only like $4 or $5 from the my local hardware store. I got this from Menards. I'll see if I can find a similar one on Amazon and post it down below if anyone's looking for one. Again, just remember to pay attention to the numbers on it. You can see my old one had a number 3 on it as well. So hopefully that's helpful to somebody. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.